Welcome to the Spice of Life, where recipes are meant to be shared. Let's see what's happening in the kitchen today. Today we will be making a spicy Italian sausage casserole. This dish is quite pleasing to the palate because it combines the sweetness of bell peppers with a hint of spiciness from hot Italian sausages. A full list of ingredients can be found in the PDF copy of the recipe below in the description. Now let's get started. In a large saucepan on medium heat, add your olive oil and 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. Oh look, my little Dakota bear is interested in what's happening here. You will then use a paring knife to manually cut celery hearts and leaves into the saucepan. You want to use both the stem and leaves. Celery leaves are a great natural flavoring agent. I even like to add some of the darker green leaves from the outside stems of a celery stalk. You'll probably want to cut in about 3 to 4 heart stems depending on how big they are. Stir the celery in and then add your chopped onion to saute them in the olive oil. And then your sweet bell peppers. You'll want to saute this whole mixture on medium, stirring often until the onions begin to look translucent. Okay, let's add in our seasonings. Stir in 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, 1 tablespoon of dried parsley flakes, and 1 tablespoon of garlic salt. You will then add the 2 cans of Petite diced tomatoes. Now add in your 2 cans of tomato sauce and stir it in until they're all well mixed in with the other ingredients. I recommend putting a lid on these and allowing the sauce to simmer on medium-low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes. While the sauce is simmering, let's get to cooking these hot Italian sausage links. You can cook them on a grill or use a stovetop skillet, which is what I will be using today. When using a skillet, I recommend you cook them no higher than medium heat, but use a lid on the skillet to help trap the heat. This will help speed up the cooking process. You will want to turn them often to ensure even cooking. These are looking close to done. Let's remove them and let them cool a few minutes. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and cut all these sausages into bite-sized rounds. Now, some of them are still looking a little pink inside, but that's okay. I'm going to be adding them to the sauce and letting them simmer and cook some more. Alright, let's add these to our sauce and stir them in. Now if you would like a little extra kick, you can optionally add a teaspoon of hot red pepper flakes to the mixture. It doesn't take much. I like to let my sauces simmer for a minimum of 20 to 30 minutes to allow the flavors to meld together. If you can afford the time to do this, I highly recommend it. In the meantime, cook your rigatoni pasta according to package directions and allow it to drain. Alright, let's take a look. This sauce is already looking and smelling terrific. Now you could just serve this over cooked pasta as is if you wanted and it would be delicious. But we're going to take it a step further. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Let's gradually add some of our rigatoni to the sauce. The key here is to add just enough pasta that it's still moist. If you add too much, your pasta will soak up all your sauce and it will turn out somewhat dry and sticky in the end. This looks about right. Now let's spray our 9x13 pan with nonstick cooking spray. Add your pasta mixture into the baking pan and top it generously with shredded mozzarella cheese. We're going to bake it until the cheese is melted and the pasta is bubbly. Wow, would you take a look at this? This looks absolutely fabulous. I cannot wait to dig in. I think I'll serve this with some fresh bread and a glass of wine. I hope you enjoy. If you like this demonstration, please let me know by clicking the like button below and subscribing to my channel. I have more great recipes and cooking tutorials on the way. There is also a link to a printable PDF copy of the recipe in the description below, as well as a link to the Spice of Life blog and Facebook page. I hope you check them out. Enjoy!